warning, guys. We're starting off the day, we're getting an oil change. We went and got Addie some dog food at the Publix. And then we're running to cash a check, move some money around, pay some bills on a Sunday, get ready for the start of the week. So let's do this. Take 5. All right, quick little side note. These are awesome. 45 grams of protein. Pick these up. See you. You guys know my favorite place. Subway. What the heck are you doing? Pretty shitty vlog, but it's the end of the night. 11:19 p.m. We're having steak. And tomorrow will be a better day. Hopefully we feel a little bit better. And we'll go from there. So that's really it, guys. Backwater's career is finished and we're moving on to the meat market. Let's go. Pretty funny coincidence.